Vaheguru, students, welcome to your SST class. And today we are going to start with your chapter number 6 of Geography Manufacturing Industries. This word, manufacturing industries, it is comprised of two words. One is manufacturing and second is industries. Now let us understand what is manufacturing. Manufacturing is the process of converting raw material into goods. When beta raw material that can be cotton, jute, or any agricultural product, we can say, or any other product, okay, raw material is converted into the any good, okay, any good that can be intermediary good, or we can say the final good. So the process, okay, the processes which has been conducted, that are called as the manufacturing. Okay, so the production of goods in large quantity after processing from raw material is called as the manufacturing. Workers, many of the workers are employed in steel industries, car industries, textile industries, bakeries, and this manufacturing industries. These are falling under the which sector? These are falling under the secondary sector. Okay, secondary sector, industrial sector. In the economics chapter of your economics, I told you that industries are falling under the secondary sector. So in this chapter we are going to study about the secondary sector and the secondary activities. Now, why these manufacturing industries are important for us? Now let us talk about the importance of these industries. Manufacturing sector is considered as the backbone of development. Okay, why it is called as the backbone? So let us study that. Okay, first reason, first importance is modernizing modernizing agriculture. Manufacturing industries helped in modernizing agriculture as it provides jobs in secondary and the tertiary sector also. Second point is eradicate unemployment and poverty. Yes, beta, definitely industries need workers. Yes, I told you before in the point just 1 minute before that number of workers are employed in the car industries and the textile industries. What does this mean? They require the manpower, they require the workers. Definitely if the manpower or the workers get appointed into the industries, this will lead to the removal of the unemployment and removal of the poverty. Eradicate means to remove. Next is the expansion of trade. If beta industries got established in a large number in a country, then definitely the production will also be increase. When the production will get increase, export of manufactured products expands the trade and commerce and bring in much needed of the foreign exchange. Next is boost to the economy. Boost to the economy. The trend of growth in manufacturing over the last decade has been seen about the 7% per annum. 7% per annum in India, beta. So from here it can be concluded that it helps in prospering the country by giving a boost to the economy. So these were the few importance of the manufacturing industries. Now let us see the important factors for the industrial location. If any person who want to set up the industry, what he will think before setting up the industries, means for the industrial location, what are the factors which are required? First factor which is required, that is raw material. That a person which is going to settle the industry in a particular area, definitely he will look after that the raw material which he require for manufacturing the product, is it available in that area, or he should have to export that material from the out of the station. Okay, if he will purchase that material from out of the station, okay, then it will increase the cost. Okay, so the first priority is the raw material. Second is the labor. Labor, workers are present or not. Okay, if the area, if in that area workers are not there, okay, each and every person is employed somewhere else, okay, or they are having their own business, or the people are not interested in their industry, so he should not set up industry in that area because it would not provide labor. Next, capital. Capital means money. Okay, capital does not mean only the money which is with him in his hand or his account. Capital also includes his assets. Okay, next is power. Power, supply of electricity, supply of water, each and everything is included under the power. Next is market. Market, that where he will sell his products. Okay, either his products has to be sold out of the country. Okay, if he can't afford his products to go out of the country, then he should take care of all these points. Next is the government policies. Government policies, if beta a person want to set up a industry, okay, for manufacturing the cigarettes, okay, so government will charge him heavy taxes. Okay, charge him heavy taxes because the cigarette is manufacturing of cigarette is falling under the drug manufacturing, so the government policies should also be favorable. Manufacturing industries beta tends to locate at the most appropriate place where all the factors of industrial location, these all are the factors of industrial location, are either available or can be arranged at the lower cost. Okay, and here I'm going to show you by the way of figure. Okay, let me tell you by the way of an figure, like here it is the input.